You guys, today was one of those days where I knew what I wanted to do as a baseline, but the look itself, I had no idea. I just went with the flow, and all I knew is that I wanted to contour my face. I wanted to wear those contact lenses, and I wanted to wear that outfit. So that was my baseline. But it was definitely one of those days where I just press record, sit down on my vanity, and just do my glam. And I think that's why I didn't stop doing these videos, because number one, I have to get ready anyways. I have to put makeup on my face, so I just decided to get ready a little earlier and record the process, because why not? I absolutely love the creative process of recording a video, doing my makeup, editing, post-production, and it feels natural to me. I don't know, I just always loved the final product, and I think that's what kept me going, because sometimes I would record a video and I didn't like it, but 3 months later I would rewatch the video I recorded and be like, oh, I actually like this. So I say my creative muscle, and that's honestly why I didn't stop doing these videos, and I came back from my hiatus online. So I was offline for 3 years, kind of like a little after the pandemic. I wasn't using my social media at all. So by the way, this is not really like a tutorial. I'm showing you what I'm doing and also showing the products I'm using, but like you can see on the video, you can definitely see the products I'm using, but like it's not like a regular tutorial. It's more of a chit chat, ASMR. Get ready with me. So I was offline for 3 years of my life. Okay, can we talk about my jawline for a second? I just feel like I could cut someone with that. So funny. So those 3 years I learned so much about myself and what I wanted to do and what I actually enjoyed doing. Definitely thinking about what brought me joy to do as myself, as my inner child, as the root of who I really am. And I feel like doing beauty and fashion, it's been my career, but I just was working for other people, and I decided that I wanted to do it on myself one day. And I was recording bits and pieces here and there with these beauty videos, and some videos I have that I recorded like years ago. I feel I have that are brand new that I just recorded a few days ago. This case, I recorded this a few days ago, but it's been such a joy to sit down and edit. I think that it is one of my favorite parts of this entire creative process is actually editing. I forgot how much I loved the process, because it gets me to enjoy what I do and have this product at the end of the day that is a piece of labor that I had. This contour, I mean, I don't contour my face often at all, only if I'm doing a photo shoot or recording a video, but on my day-to-day, I never contour my face. I used to contour a lot. I'm actually recording a video very soon on how I used to do my makeup versus how I do my makeup now, and trust me, my contour has come a long way, because I used to use the wrong shade of contour, and I didn't know really what was working for me, or let's just say I evolved from that time, and I feel like I'm a completely different person when it comes to makeup because I needed so much done to my face, and now it just looks so good on camera. And I think the contour process just gives your face such a dimension and definition, so I really love that for media, obviously. So this is my outlet to create looks that I otherwise wouldn't create at all. I wouldn't do it, but like shooting this for YouTube and having this recorded and documented in this era of my life, it is really fun to see, because it's so funny that when I first started YouTube or uploading on YouTube, I would say it was about 10 or 11 years ago, and I could never have my bare skin in front of the camera on YouTube. I had to have a thick layer of foundation on my face, and I think I overcame that in a way that I could do an entire series about it, on how I leveled up and glow up, because it was such a process of growth and things that I learned with experts and trying myself, obviously trial and error all the time. I was experimenting with different habits, different lifestyle choices, and it ended up working for me. So it reflected all over my life. It reflected on how I perceive myself, reflected on how I looked, reflected on how people saw me. I completely changed. I can't even tell you. I changed so much in this period of my life that I was offline and not on social media at all. And that actually helped me so much to grow in a way that I never thought it was possible. If you have told me that one day I'll be recording myself bare skin on camera, no makeup on, I would have laughed at your face, because I needed makeup back in the day because I had such bad skin, acne, redness, acne scars, rosacea, pimples, texture. It was all over my face and I was so insecure about it. I could do an entire series about my skin and glow up and habit formation and what I did, and I will do that. I will do very soon. I think when I reach 10,000 subscribers, I will probably gonna do that type of content. Even in my day-to-day life, people always ask me, what did you do? Or when they see me after a few years, they are always shocked that I kinda look the same, and how I kind of delayed aging and stopped a little bit. I mean, we are all aging, and that is a normal thing to happen to literally everybody, but I've been doing a few things that kind of been delaying that process, and I feel like I learned so much in this past years that I was offline and focusing on myself and my career, that I can confidently say that it completely changed my life. By the way, my pencil fell off the Patrick top. I love that eye pencil, but I mean, I had a good run, but they're really expensive, so I will love a brand new one. I'm gonna reach out to their team. So I am using one of my favorite palettes this season. love every single shade. It is so hard for me to use every single shade of a palette because we all know that sometimes they have a few shades that doesn't work for us, but every single one of those I use often and on my day-to-day, and they look incredible. Also, they reflect my era right now. So I'm using this blush on my eyes as well. I am a blush lover, and I think everybody should apply a little bit of their blush they use on their face onto their eyes because it does give you a more natural, cohesive look. So it just ties together, honestly. I am lining my lips. I am doing a little overline, but nothing too dramatic. And I kept my lips very simple because my eyes were more dramatic. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, and boom, I am a completely different person after lashes. You go from a regular looking person to kind of like a pop star, a celebrity, because lashes do that for you. If you ever wear lashes, you know the power they hold. And I have very thin lashes, so this is major for me. Look at the difference it makes. I'm using also powder blush and a skin tone powder all over my face. This prevents my pores to look too crazy. I love the mattifying skin, but I also love a good highlight that I'm gonna use very soon. I'm just giving my face a little touch up. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. I think creating art is like raising a baby. You just have to do it because it will definitely find its place. I feel like I seen that happening right in front of my eyes, so it's actually true. Those synchronicities happen for a reason, and and if you believe it, you can actually achieve it. So I just kept doing it, and now I feel more confident on doing these videos, and I came a long way, by the way. So this is the makeup look. I really enjoyed creating this. I am also enjoying this straight hair. I think I've been using my hair wavy or curly lately, but today I just had it straight, and I am feeling it, especially with this outfit, with this look. I love the hair clips over there as well. It looks so cute. This looks like I have a white beard now, but it's gonna work out in the end. Always makeup sometimes looks really ugly in the process, but you just have to have a little faith that it's gonna work out, and it did. I absolutely love how it looks contoured. The contour on my face looks so good. I really enjoy doing this. I don't know. I absolutely don't feel like I need to do it every time or every day. But in the past, I used to do it very often because I was such a drag queen. But now I'm on my clean era. But I decided to do a little more makeup today because I still love makeup. Makeup is really fun. And the clean era is amazing for my day-to-day life. But online and on YouTube, let's play around. Let's put some makeup on my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it, and I cannot wait to see what's coming up. I'm creating more fashion content in the future, so I hope you subscribe.